How to add the Apple TV remote to the control center. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Control Center and click it. Here, you'll see two sections, Included Controls and More Controls. Scroll down until you find Apple TV Remote under More Controls. Now, simply tap the green plus icon next to Apple TV Remote. It will instantly move to the Included Controls section, meaning it has been added to your control center. Once you're done, close the Settings app. To open the control center, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You'll now see the Apple TV Remote control in your control center. Tap it anytime to quickly control your Apple TV after pairing it with the same Wi-Fi network. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.